Today I'm going to make a Spanish rice with a Romesco sauce. We're going to use some rice, mayonnaise, Romesco, salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, some currants, lemon, garlic, chicken, zucchini, green scallions, and make the rice. If you want to see the whole show, it's 307. Click the end card. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.